So when we had to pull the rear wiper lift out, I have no idea how that comes off. And then there is one 10 mil for the chrome piece. And then there's another 10 mil for the comb trim. And then, miraculously, I need to pull that harness through that teeny tiny hole. Not a clue how I'm going to do that, because there's these big white plugs attached. Not a damned clue. I'm hoping that there's a plug on the other side. And then I got that, and it's actually, this is the handle. This is actually spot welded, so that's not going to go anywhere. It's just this. And this one to take the handle. And again, we've got a big fat plug that's got to go through a teeny tiny hole. I have no idea how that's going to work. Man, good job.